Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Thank you for taking the time. Let me introduce myself. I'm Risma Selviana and I'm from Sultan Agung Islamic University Semarang. The agenda of the event this time, I will deliver bicycle sales turnout starting from Maret to June 2020. Bicycle sales up to 30%. Turnover of bicycle sales from Maret to June 2020. Turnover of bicycle sales during the COVID-19 period resulted in a decrease in order percentage. Care. The decline in domestic car sales in May 2020 dropped dramatically to 19.5%. This achievement in the work in the history of the decline in domestic car sales. Motorcycle. The decline in motorbike sales is due to a decline in the people buying and selling power due to the COVID-19. Prospective motorcycle summer. The originally prepared a budget to be the new vehicles. Many deferred their money to buy staples in large quantities. Bicycle sellers share along with the trend of using the environmentally friendly transportation during COVID-19. Increasing monthly sales doubling exponentially during the school holiday. But since the social burst of the PSBB scale in April, they have experienced a fall in cars. Pedestrian. Walking seems to be a rare thing would die because people respond to pedestrians like pedestrians are starting and lack of work. As a human, something there is a sense of shame because of walking. General transportation. The highest production in the number of persons in public transportation in Jakarta has impacted by the COVID-19. The decline in Transjakarta Bisher has even begun since Maret, an average of 550,000 people per day, or down to 4.52% compared to the normal number of patients in January 2020. The percentage of sales of transportation equipment in Indonesia. If there are 100,000 people in Indonesia, then how many people buy car, motorbikes, bicycle, public transportation, and even thought work? Pedestrian. Indonesia work there are 2% and 100,000 people. So how many pedestrians? In Indonesia there are still 550 pedestrians. Pedestrians declined dramatically during this pandemic. People did not leave the house because they hand and wear masks and carry hand washing. Care. Indonesia population Wubui car, and the moment is 19%. How many people bought a car during the COVID-19 pandemic? There are 5,277 buyers. Motorcycle. Indonesia Wubui motorbike are currently down. Sales are only 23%. How many people bought motorbike during the COVID-19 pandemic? There are 6,318 buyers. So, Indonesia traffic is observed to be busy. General transportation. At this time, people riding public transportation during the COVID-19 pandemic declined drastically. Passengers were only 11%. So how many people use public transportation? There are 3,055 passengers because they are very afraid by riding public transportation. There are passengers suffering money from COVID-19. Bicycle. Bicycle sales in Indonesia have quadrupled. The percentage of buyers has increased by 45%. So how many people buy bikes? There were 12,000 bicycle buyers. Because at the time of COVID-19 Indonesia, people wanted to maintain their body fitness by cycling. So, the percentage of transportation equipment sales in Indonesia is currently 2020 the most sales are bicycle. Turnover of bicycle sales increased because the people in COVID-19 pandemic they wanted to maintain their fitness by cycling. And at this time, the back and forth decreased very drastically, 43%. But you're a motorcycle with a comparison bike, that's not too much, it's only 22%. So many of the presentations that I have delivered are showing turnover of bicycle sales during the COVID-19 years 2020. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.